Ever wondered how to create engaging, faceless videos in Canva? If that's a question that's been tickling your curiosity, then you've come to the right place. In the digital age, faceless videos are a powerful tool to convey your message without showing your face. And Canva? It's an incredibly user-friendly platform that makes creating these videos a breeze. So whether you're a seasoned content creator or a novice just starting out, buckle up. Well, today we will walk you through the process step by step. Firstly, you need a Canva account. If you don't have one, here's how to create it. Start by navigating to the Canva website. Once there, you will see a button that says Sign Up. Click on it. You will then be given the option to sign up using your Google, Facebook or Apple account. Alternatively, you can use an email address. After that, it's time to select a plan. Canva offers a free plan that's perfect for beginners, but if you're a content creator who needs more advanced features, you might want to consider the Pro or Enterprise plan. Each comes with its own set of benefits and cost, so take a moment to review and select the one that suits your needs best. Once you've made your selection, follow the prompts to complete your registration. Congratulations, you now have your very own Canva account. Now that you have your Canva account set up, we can move on to the next step. Understanding the Canva interface is key to creating your faceless videos. Let's start by walking you through the main features of Canva's interface. Picture it as a canvas, a blank space waiting for your creativity to fill it up. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a vertical panel. This is your toolbox, filled with the essentials to bring your ideas to life. At the top of the panel, you'll find the Templates tab. This is where you can browse through thousands of pre-designed templates, each one a springboard for your creativity. You'll notice that these templates are categorized by theme and purpose, making it easier for you to find the perfect starting point for your faceless video. Just below templates, there's the Elements tab. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll find millions of images, graphics, shapes and lines. You can also add text, music and videos. These are the building blocks to create a unique and engaging faceless video. Next up is the Text tab. This is where you can add headlines, subheadings and body text to your designs. Canva offers a wide range of fonts and typography options, from the classic to the avant-garde, allowing you to express your message with style. The Music tab is your go-to place for setting the mood of your video. You can browse through Canva's extensive library of tracks or upload your own. Remember, the right music can elevate your video and captivate your audience. Last but not least, the Videos tab. This is where you'll be adding and editing your video content. You can upload your own videos or explore Canva's library of stock footage. Now, let's shift our focus to the top right corner of the interface. This is where you'll find the Publish button. Once you're happy with your creation, click here to share your video with the world. Now that you're familiar with the interface, let's dive into creating your first faceless video. Before we proceed, we'd like to take a moment to encourage you to engage with our channel. If you find our content helpful, or if you're excited about creating your first faceless video, please consider signing up for our channel. It's a simple way to show your support and help us continue to provide more guides like this one. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It tells us that we are heading in the right direction. And finally, sharing is caring. If you know someone who could benefit from this guide, or if you want to keep it handy for yourself, don't hesitate to share it. Your support is what keeps us going and helps us create more helpful guides for you. Now that we've covered that, let's move on to the exciting part, choosing the right template for your faceless video. The first step in creating your faceless video is choosing the right template. Now, Canva offers a plethora of templates, but the trick is to select one that aligns with the purpose of your video. Are you making an educational video? Then you might want to look for a template that allows for text-heavy frames, or perhaps you're creating an advertisement. In that case, you'd want a template that showcases visuals and movement. The target audience is another crucial factor to consider. A video aimed at a younger crowd might benefit from bold, vibrant templates, while a more mature audience might appreciate a clean, minimalist design. Remember, the template sets the tone for your video. It's like the foundation of a house. You build everything else on top of it, so it's vital to choose wisely. With the right template selected, you're ready to start creating your faceless video. Now comes the fun part, customizing your template. Diving into the world of customization is where your creativity truly gets to shine. It's like being a kid in a candy store with a myriad of options at your fingertips. But don't fret, we'll navigate these waters together. Start with the most basic element, text. Canva offers countless fonts and styles. Choose one that aligns with your video's mood and theme. Play around with the size, color, and position of your text until it's just right. Remember, your text should be clear and legible even on smaller screens. Moving on, let's add some images. Canva's library is brimming with high-quality images that you can use for free. You can search for specific images or browse through categories. Once you've selected an image, you can resize and position it to your liking. Don't be afraid to experiment with different images until you find the perfect one that speaks your message. Next, we have elements. These are graphic components you can add to your video, such as shapes, lines, and stickers. These little additions can add a layer of depth and interest to your video. You can change their color, size, and position, just like with text and images. Now let's talk about color. Color sets the tone and mood of your video. Canva provides a color wheel where you can choose any color you fancy. You can also input hex codes for specific colors. A good tip is to stick to a consistent color palette throughout your video to maintain a cohesive look and feel. Lastly, let's not forget about the background. You can choose a solid color, gradient, or even an image. The right background can make your other elements pop and create a visually pleasing frame for your content. As you go along, remember to save your work regularly. There's nothing more frustrating than losing your progress due to an unforeseen glitch or error. With your template customized, your faceless video is starting to take shape. Don't be shy to make adjustments and experiment with different looks. After all, this is your masterpiece in the making. Now it's time to add and edit your video content. Welcome to the heart of the creative process. Here, we'll explore how to insert your own video content and how to tweak it to perfection within Canva. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to upload your video content. This can be done by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left-hand sidebar. Then, click on the Upload Media button and select Device to choose the video file from your computer. Wait for a little while as Canva uploads your video and voila! Your video is now ready to be added to your project. Once your video is uploaded, you can add it to your template by simply dragging and dropping it into the desired location. A little tip here, try to match your video content with the aesthetic of your template for a cohesive look. Now let's move on to editing. You can trim your video to the desired length by selecting it and then clicking on the scissors icon. A timeline will appear at the bottom of your screen, allowing you to adjust the start and end points of your video. This feature is especially useful if you want to highlight a specific part of your video. Resizing your video is also a breeze. Simply select your video and drag the corners to make it fit perfectly within your template. Remember, it's all about balance and harmony in design. But wait, there's more. Canva also allows you to add a touch of magic to your videos with various effects. Click on your video, select Effects, and explore a world of creative possibilities. From adjusting the brightness and contrast to adding filters and animations, the sky's the limit. And there you have it. You've successfully added and edited your video content in Canva. You're not just a content creator, you're a content wizard. With your video content added and edited, your faceless video is almost ready. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity run wild. The final step is to export and share your video. It's a simple process that involves just a few clicks, but let's walk through it together to ensure you're fully equipped to get your masterpiece out into the world. Once you're satisfied with your video, look for the download button, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select MP4 video. This is the most universally accepted video format, ensuring that your video can be viewed on virtually any device or platform. After selecting MP4 video, click on the teal download button. Canva will now work its magic, exporting your video. This process can take a few moments, so feel free to grab a cup of tea while you wait. Once the export is complete, Canva will provide you with a file that you can save on your computer. This is your final video, ready to be shared with the world. Now, sharing your video is as easy as uploading this file to your platform of choice. Whether you're posting it on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform, just look for the upload button, select your video, and voila! Your faceless video is now live for everyone to see. Remember, the power of your video lies not just in its creation, but in its distribution. So don't hold back. Share it far and wide. Congratulations, you've just created your first faceless video in Canva. So, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We dove in by setting up a Canva account, a simple yet crucial first step in our journey. Next, we navigated the vast sea of Canva's interface, getting familiar with the tools and features at our disposal. We moved on to the art of choosing the right template, an essential decision that sets the tone for your entire video. After selecting the perfect base, we delved into customization, transforming the template to reflect our unique vision. Our creativity truly sparked when we began adding and editing video content, demonstrating how a faceless video can still be compelling and engaging. Finally, we wrapped up by exporting and sharing our masterpiece, making it ready for the world to see. And there you have it. That's how you create engaging faceless videos in Canva. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends.